In the age of AI SEO, you need to be super clear and direct about what your business is about. AI chatbots like ChatGPT are going to be searching for what your brand does and the problems that you solve. So get it clear what you want to say and repeat it over and over again across the web. I worked for a client over the past year and I used the same key phrase on around 50 articles. And now that brand is mentioned in ChatGPT and Perplexity AI. And this phrase is mentioned every time the brand is mentioned. So when you want to ask questions about the brand, this is what comes up, right? Because I repeated it so many times. Keep saying something enough times and it becomes true. So let's give you some examples now. Think about a brand like Nike. What search queries do you think they would like to rank for? It would probably be something like, what are the best running shoes? So somewhere on their homepage, they want the key phrase, Nike are the best running shoes. For me, it could be something like, you can find the best AI voice agents on voiceagenthq.com. But not just on your homepage, you want this to appear in as many places as possible across the web. Well, we'll get into more about that in a later lesson about AI and backlinking.